Alrighty, let's go through some sample problems here. Now again, just to review, there's a lot of different ways to do this. I'm just going to do it with the way that my brain works. And if your brain works a little different and you want to do these problems in a different way and it works your way, I don't care how you do it. It's not important to me. I'm just going to show you the way that I go about doing these problems. Remember that up top here, you're going to have some real world unit, right? That could be grams, that could be liters, that could be milliliters, that could be any number of different things. You're going to have a real world unit up here. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to have moles, which is the chemistry unit. And typically what you're going to encounter is that you're going to be able to go back and forth between the moles, knowing what the stoichiometric coefficients are, and then you're going to have to get out of the moles back into the real world unit in some way using some sort of an equation. All right, we've covered all this in the lecture. So it's important for you to know, are you talking about real world to real world? Or are you talking about moles to moles? What are the units that you are interested in? And typically speaking, you're only looking at 2 or at the most 3 different substances to do these particular problems. So, pardon me, looks like we are interested in FeI2, and we are interested in HiO3 here. Those are the 2 things that we care about. And it wants moles, and it wants moles. So this is an easy one. So apparently, it says how many moles of FeI2, so I don't know how many moles are there, but I was given 0.40 moles of the HiO3. So, because we are dealing with moles and I don't have to worry about any real world units, I can go from 0.4 moles here, and 0.40 moles here, and I can go over here to the FeI2 by a ratio of 4/5, because again, it is a 4 to 5. So if I'm starting at 5 and going to 4 over here, it's got to be a 4/5 ratio, and it's going to end up being less. Get out the calculator and do the math on that, and you end up with 0.32 moles, and that's it. That's all you got to do for this one, because it's a moles to moles problem.